Lives of hunters in Tennessee could be affected depending on what happens with a bill in the legislature. Thanks for joining us. I'm Josh Rowe.
And I'm Latricia Thomas. Part of that discussion comes from a story we told you about in December. A group of hunters appealed a small fine for shooting at ducks. The citation happened because the property is inside Sweetwater city limits and close to homes and businesses. The new law may not apply to this current case, but as Katie Glanton explains, it would clarify who has a say in what and when it comes to hunting.
Josh, Latricia, this Sweetwater case sparked a lot of conversation about where you can and can't hunt. And now a new state law is intended to clarify the state has the final say.
We want to make sure that it's very clear that when it comes to hunting, the state regulates that.
Tennessee State Representative Mark Cochran says a new bill he's sponsoring will create more transparency about who has the final say about hunting laws. In 2013, the Tennessee Attorney General wrote an opinion saying that local authorities cannot prohibit activities approved by the state, like the use of a firearm.
So this law is really just clarifying that when it comes to actually governing hunting, regulating hunting, that is done by the state, by TWRA, not by local governments.
The case that inspired this new bill centers around hunters in Sweetwater. They were cited for a city law for using a firearm in city limits.
In this particular case, in Sweetwater, Tennessee, the authorities felt that these hunters had overstepped the bounds, and they cited them.
The city of Sweetwater told me that they cited the hunters because they were hunting not far from a local school and neighborhood. News Channel 9's outdoor contributor Richard Sims says this isn't just a Southeast Tennessee issue.
We mentioned that there's hunting clubs in Memphis that specifically say, hey, we're inside the city limits.
Matthew Rogers is representing one of the hunters in the case. And even though it may not affect his client, he says it's a step in the right direction.
And so we think the state law trumps the city ordinance. And we're proud that our local legislators are moving forward with this new bill to either make new law or to bring clarity to what we're already arguing.
I reached out to TWRA regarding this bill, and they told me they look forward to working with the General Assembly on any legislation affecting hunters. Latricia?
Katie, thank you. We'll follow that bill's progress and have updates throughout the legislative session.